fellow traders, Bubbin here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Monday, October the 25th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are in the market here today. So SPX not giving up on just crushing that bearish engulfing month from last month, just turning this into just an epic move up here, up to 45.66 with a fresh all-time high today. Weekly chart pushing and a daily chart still continuing to move its way up. So the real question is now, is this an expanded flat, or are we just continuing this wave up right here? Was this it? Was this wave 4 and now we're working on wave 5? It's tough. It's not a very clean chart right here, guys. This could have been maybe a wave 4 triangle, very tight move. Could be working on wave 5, and then we'll see. I mean, eventually wave 3 is going to be done, right? Then we'll see wave 4. So we'll see how that goes. It's just been just super bullish, and it just kind of is what it is. So again, SPY working its way up here. Let's check out the volume and see how it's looking here today. Still not there yet. It's actually a really low volume day, but not surprised to see him squeezing out the shorts there with that low volume. So pretty cool stuff. We did have a nice bullish harmonic wing on this one, which we were talking about yesterday. Fresh all-time highs right here. Now we just really want to see if this can consolidate. I like how we got really tight right here, right at the all-time highs, and then boom, we just broke out above that for a really strong move. Anybody who has had their stops at just above the all-time high just got squeezed out on that move. So really nice move there. Again, really tight range here for us to put any sort of geometric line. It's just vertical right now on the MES. We'll see how it goes here for the rest of the day. But we got long pretty early today, so it was looking pretty good. We held our key levels here this morning, and we did we had a good risk reward off of it. And again, same here with the Qs, right? We bounced right off of the geometric line. It was the SPY bounced off of one of our key strike levels, so a really nice move there. IWM continue to grind its way up here this morning. The XLF was a little bit weak here this morning, and it's actually still kind of hanging out here. It's not really showing the type of bullishness that we like to see in the market, but it's not dropping, so I suppose that's good. Let's say the VIX. VIX is kind of dropping around a little bit, but not too far, right? We're still holding a couple levels at the 15 level right here, as we are waiting for Facebook to report tomorrow. We'll take a look at Facebook. We got a chart request on that for a little bit, so we'll take a look at that and see how that's looking going into the rest of the day and into tonight, which they have earnings tonight. Apple with a decent dip by here today. Tesla. Of course, we pointed this out this morning on Tesla, but because of the crazy volatility that we've got going on, guys, we actually looked at in the group, and I talked to you guys about that on the public Twitter as well. Looking at call spreads, right? So the 990, 1000 call spreads are really interesting. Those are actually nice and profitable here today. Even the dip, no worries on that one. So a good move there. And the other one that we looked at today was AFRM. Trader Moga also liked this one too. So, but this has just been, we've been getting this a lot on our live streams at night. And in fact, JMoss is the one who pointed out this bull flag right here. Got a good move right here and just kind of started flagging again. Got to the ADMA right here and then just gave us a nice breakout move today. So we pointed out the 165 calls. They were very active, and they're in the money right now. So a nice move on AFRM. A couple requests out there. Of course, we got Bitcoin going here today, so looking pretty good. Looks like the dip was viable here so far. An inside day. Let's see if how it closes. Coin in conjunction with that. Let's take a look here with a big breakout there as well. So good move there. DWAC. So how's this one going here today? Up about 7% here today with an inside day. So and options starting to move a little bit. They're so expensive, guys. Even like spreads on it are a little bit funky. Pins, where is Pins? Oh, it's way down here. Look at that. It held this crazy support level down here. So a little bit of a bounce off of that after the PayPal news, but a really nice gap down here this morning. So and again, guys, we've been talking about that a lot this week. We're talking about that PayPal is bullish and Pins bearish, right? Why? Because we got down below the inside day, right? No need to like keep your fingers crossed and hope that it goes, right? So Snap still weak here. Chewy, looking pretty good here today. Nice candle so far. Let's see if we can close green here over the ADMA and if it's really actually ready to keep going. We actually had call spread ideas from here. And why do we like debit spreads? Because they don't. When you have this kind of chop in here, your options don't get crushed, right? And you still can get a pretty phenomenal trade on these. So you see a lot of 2x, 4x trades on debit spreads. How many of those do you actually get on naked calls and puts? Seriously, I mean, occasionally you'll get a text trade, be like, "Yeah, this is awesome. I love trading." But the other ones, you're getting chopped up. Your premium's getting chopped up. So do the debit spreads call, so you get a much better risk reward and long-term success, right? So, but it's up to you. It's up to your trading style. Anyway, that's what we like, the debit spreads on those, and we like selling premium intraday when things make sense. Target making a nice breakout here at the cloud, so that's looking pretty good out there. And Facebook earnings tonight. So again, guys, we discussed this at length yesterday. Nice bounce, another bounce today off of the 200-day moving average. Now we got to see what they do after earnings, right? So we're looking at this as a possible, like we said, this is a possible 1, 2, and we could be working our way through up. So nice gap up on Facebook. Facebook tonight could be really strong. A gap down on it or a rut row, look out below. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, guys, appreciate the requests. Again, obviously market trending up here today, so looking really bullish. We're going to see if there's any viable dips possible, and we'll go from there. But anyway, guys, really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the market wrap. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.